Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money anonymously on Cash App. So all you need to do is follow these steps. So first, create a new account, sign up using a new email address, and then choose a unique cash tag that doesn't reveal your real name. Adjust your privacy settings, go to Profile, Privacy and Security, turn off features that allow others to find you by phone or email, disable contact syncing, avoid using your full legal name publicly, edit your display name in profile settings, keep it neutral and non-identifiable, fund your account carefully, add money using a linked debit card or bank. Remember, Cash App still verifies your identity internally for compliance. Send the payments, enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number or email, enter the amount and tap pay, add a neutral note if needed, avoid personal details, understand the limits, true anonymity isn't possible, Cash App may require identity verification SSN for higher limits, transactions are private between sender and receiver but not anonymous to Cash App. Important note, Cash App follows financial regulations, so your identity can be verified by company if required by law. Only use the platform for legitimate transactions and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.